Thanks for tuning in. What's up? What it do, baby? My name is Jeannide. We about to get into this beat, my updated makeup routine. If you want to see the slay, honey, just stay tuned, honey. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. I haven't seen y'all in a while. I've totally changed my makeup routine, as you will see in this video. Totally changed my techniques, my tools, and everything, and even got new products. Of course, it's been like a year or two. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching and deuces. So we're using the Angel Veil primer. Today is like the unofficial first day of spring in Jersey. It's supposed to be about 70 degrees today. So, honey, this is new. This is pretty new. This is my first purchase of this primer. I heard it's amazing. So I was like, let me get it. I've always wanted to try it. I always wanted to see what the tea is. Actually, I might have put too much on because a little bit does go a long way. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but usually when I put it on, I see like purple. It's a titanium dioxide, honey. That's the titanium dioxide. That's what I learned these past few months, honey, from working at a whole cosmetic company, honey. But anyways, so I have the Juvia's Place Velvetty Matte Foundation, the I Am Magic Velvetty Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade Accra 330. So I would love to see, I can't wait till I start editing this, like, to see how these products look on this camera, like, look on this HD pretty much camera. I'm excited to see that because, you know, on Instagram, my pictures be looking popping, you know, my makeup popping. But I want to really see, because these cameras do not lie. Oh, and what else? I started getting waxes, y'all. Last year, I started going to the European Wax Center. What's up, Christine? She just followed me on my, well, subscribed to my channel this morning. After I got my lips and my chin done. So, yeah. And last month, I actually got my sideburns waxed for the first time. They're already going in, though, so quickly. They're already growing back, like, super fast, but whatever. Oh, this is my song. We'll put the volume down a bit, because I don't want these people to be like, oh, we deleted the mute. We took the audio off from your video because you're playing this song. UMG Records took it off, and I'm just like, I don't got the time for it, honey. I don't got the time for that. Leave my music alone. This is a foundation stick, but I use it as a contour. Oh, what's the name? It's the Zambia. It's in Zambia. That's my shade. Yes, see, there we go. This is the clean brush. This is the BH Cosmetics 127 contour brush. I actually like this contour brush a lot. And I'm going to blend this out. Ooh, this thing is so pigmented. It looks a little red on camera, or is it just me? On camera, it does not look that blended at all. So I'm gonna try to blend around it. This is the foundation brush. Blend around it, I guess, so it doesn't look that harsh. I don't want to take the contour away. I think we're fine. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic. One of them fat concealers. This is number 13. Yeah, there's no name, I guess. It's just 13. So this thing is thick, honey. It's thick and it's creamy. So since we can't blast the music too loud, I'm listening to Are You That Somebody by Aaliyah. Yo, like, they finally put, Aaliyah's catalog on Spotify. They didn't have her catalog on Spotify for the longest. But I'm actually going to use the same brush, and I'm going to set my contour. So I like this. Okay, so this is the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Ebony. Oh, that might have been too much. Hold on. So this is a shader brush by BH Cosmetics. It's the BH Cosmetics. Oh, the number faded out, but it's a shader brush. Concealer. So this has nothing, and I'm gonna blend off the edges. I guess try to get my whole face blended before I, cause even this nose contour looks a little harsh. before I put on my powders. Make everything matte. I finally have the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. It's my first purchase. I bought this like last week. This is gonna be like my 3rd time using it. I'm so late on game, but y'all already know. Goes right into the skin. Makes me nice and yellow, honey. Look at it. This thing doesn't sit on top of the skin. It goes right into it. This is worth $25. Now this is it. So now I fake baked for like a minute. So we got another clean brush. Oh wow, this is the ghetto.
Ooh! Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto.
Gotta dust it, swirl it, dust it. What is up? And we are back with the finished look. I got my lashes on by Kiss I Envy. I don't know which lashes these are. Actually, I think they're from this box. So they're Drama number L37 by I Envy. I don't think I got a box with me. Like, I don't even have the box with me. It's something. I don't know, honey. I'll link it down below if you want to know. I got my liner on. I decided to put liner on today because I haven't put on liner in a while. It's not the best because I put on the liner after putting on the lashes. I usually don't do that. I usually do liner before lashes, but whatever. Because it was a last minute decision. But anyways, let's see these edges, baby. Oh, look at my edges. They look nice. I don't know which. I have an edge video coming out soon. I don't know which video I'm posting first, this one or the edge video, but just check it out when it comes out. If it's already out, check that video out to see how I do my edges. And this time I think my bun is actually laid, like super laid. I tried my best. Like I was like, I really gotta lay this bun a little more. Like I gotta do it over again. So I did over again. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And oh yeah, I have this Perfect Tone matte lip cream by, I forgot who. I think, oh, Black Radiance. It's a Black Radiance matte lipstick. So I have it on. It's like a nice brownish nude. It's nice. I like it. I remember the last time I wore it, I didn't like it at all, but I like it right now. Maybe it's the lighting that makes me like it. Wow, I actually like it today. I really do. But thanks so much for tuning in. That's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching this makeup routine. And yeah, deuces.